Writing Home is a creative writing project offering creative writing workshops to support people through just a really challenging time in your life, like when housing is an issue, and it means to kind of talk about what's going on for them and sharing their experiences, but also to create a space to be seen as like just a person with talent.
Something completely different. Knew from the get-go that it was something that would be great potential for something fantastic, but didn't know whether they'd want it or not.
When I first heard of poetry, like you think, sure, why would you do poetry?
I never thought I'd do it.
It was him, Colm, the way he came across and the way he was with us. That's really why I got involved in it.
It was 6 weeks then we were doing videos on the tablets, and we were doing our own poetry with him. He explains it in a way that you can just understand him.
First time doing it, we actually got a poem.
I liked what he was saying, you know what I mean? I just enjoyed what he was talking about and his experience in life.
It's a traumatic experience in itself to undergo homelessness. And then to realise that to say that means something or take something away from you. The lack of being able to articulate the trauma that you're going through can just actually make it harder to survive, or actually harder to engage with services that are there to help you. And there's a lot of stuff that needs to be said. There's a lot of things that people need to get off their chest.
I was so proud of the 7 poems that I'd written. You know, I didn't realise the work I'd done till I read it back myself. I've been through a rough time over the last 15 years and ending up in homeless services, you know. I want to write a book one day to help others. Colm suggested writing the book in poetry, and that's a good idea, so I'm going to take that idea on board.
I find it very hard to talk to people myself, like I'm very insecure, you know. Kind of got a lot off my shoulders, you know, a lot off my chest and all.
It relaxes you, you know, and it takes all the stress out of you and everything.
You just think about things, think about the past, and it brings up kind of the past as well, do you get me? And it's good to talk about it as well, like, you know what I mean?
You can see the enthusiasm for it, like, you know, hearing their feedback, sharing their poems with me as well, and their personalities coming out and the motivation for that.
People were able to kind of tap into things that they won't have given any time to in a long time. Yeah, it just really ignited something. We're still feeling the benefit of it.
All week, like, I was looking forward to it, you know.
Like, if I call him with me every day, like, I'd have books of poetry, the way he helps it with it.
Something that I'd probably like to get more into and see.
I didn't think poetry would be as good. I never thought of it, and I'd like to do more of it, even try to start a book.